Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Minecraft running and commands enabled. Now get operator rights or enable cheats so commands run. First, open chat and type the command beginning with /testfor followed by a target selector or player name. Use simple selectors like @p or add it to test nearest or all players. Once done, add selector arguments such as r equals 10 to limit radius or score name equals 5 to check scoreboard values. These steps start the concrete setup, so the command can return true or false. You will now build the specific test. Type /testfor with selector arguments inside brackets. For example, at eType equals zombie, r equals 20 to check for zombies within 20 blocks. Make sure to create a scoreboard objective if you want to test numerical conditions. Set player scores with /scoreboard players, set then reference score name equals 5 in your selector. Once done, place the command in an impulse or repeat command block and wire it to a comparator to trigger follow-up commands when the test succeeds. Finish by wiring the command block to a redstone comparator so you can run downstream actions when the test returns true. Make sure repeat vs impulse mode matches your needs. Repeat for continuous checks, impulse for one-shot tests. If nothing happens, check selector syntax, radius, scoreboard values, and that you have permission. Missing brackets or wrong argument names are common. Also note, in newer Minecraft versions, use execute if entity. As /testfor is deprecated, swap it to maintain compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.